How to change TradingView background to white. Are you guys facing issues to change TradingView background to white? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your device. Once you open the TradingView app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the setting icon. Tap on it. Once you click on it, now go over Canvas. And you can see multiple options over here. Now click on background and select the color that you want. You are looking to change the background to white, right? Then click on white. Now again go and select the white color. To save the changes, just simply click on OK. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna change background to white on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.